Hello again. Today we're going to talk about the drive lever and its unique driving experience. This drive lever works the same in Versu models as well as in all CVT models. This truly is a power shift revolution. To accelerate, simply push the lever forward. The more you push, the more you accelerate. To achieve maximum acceleration, push the lever past the detent and you will achieve maximum speed. To decelerate, pull the lever backwards, and again, the more you pull, the more you slow down. To achieve maximum deceleration, pull the lever back past the detent to slow down. When engine braking is engaged, as you pull the lever back, you will achieve more engine braking. Engine braking is also available in Versu models. When you return the lever to the neutral position, the tractor will continue at the speed you were already traveling. If you want to save a cruise speed, simply push the lever all the way to the right, hold it there for 2 seconds and you will save the cruise speed. If you want to return to this cruise speed at any point in time, simply push the lever again to the right and you will recall the cruise speed. If you want to turn off cruise speed or return to pedal mode, simply push the lever to the left and you will return to pedal mode. To drive in manual mode, simply press this button which is found here, the manual button, it turns green. And then now you're in manual mode. To change up a gear, simply press the lever forward, and as many times as you press it is however many gears you go forward. To change down a gear, simply pull the lever backwards like so, and you will change down gears. This really works like a normal gear lever in any power shift model in manual mode.
Valtra, your working machine.